Hey guys, welcome. In this one I'm showing you how to protect specific cells in Excel from editing. So firstly, select your input cells. You can just hold Ctrl on your keyboard and select multiple ranges if needed, like this. After that, you can just right click the selected area, choose Format Cells here, and the keyboard shortcut for that is Ctrl+1. Switch to Protection tab and uncheck the Locked checkbox and click OK. And now that your flexible cells are unlocked, you can turn on Sheet Protection to secure everything else. So you go to the Review tab here. In the pop-up window, ensure Protect Worksheet and Contents of Locked Cells is unchecked, like that. Under Allow users of this worksheet to leave select locked cells and select unlocked cells checked, and then just click OK, guys. And that is pretty much it. If this was helpful, as always guys, we hope you like our videos and of course subscribe if this helped.